Create striking products with the all-new TroGlass Mirror, bronze and anthracite colours. TroGlass Mirror is an extruded acrylic ideal for both commercial and creative products. Anthracite offers a cool, modern finish, while bronze brings a warm, traditional tone. TroGlass Mirror is the perfect alternative to real glass for visual products such as signage. With a lighter weight and higher breakage resistance than glass. TroGlass Mirror is also great for adding stylish elements to products. Combining anthracite and bronze creates a striking contrasting tone, with the warm bronze letters standing out from the cool anthracite base. TroGlass Mirror is also great for combining with materials like woods. Alongside commercial products, TroGlass Mirror is perfect for creative products such as children's mirrors, thanks to its higher breakage resistance, which is a significant benefit for this application. Add stylish finishes to your products with TroGlass Mirror. Visit our webshop today at shop.troteclaser.com to discover the full range and more with striking TroGlass finishes.